Ayan, meron lang kaming gustong batiin, si Tete Tabok at saka yung kanyang honey ng happy anniversary. Ayan, Tete, maraming salamat sa iyong walang sawang pagsuporta sa amin ni CJ sa Father and Son Duo. Ayan, napakinggan ko itong awiting to kanina sa 97.1 AFM. Nagandaan ako, so susubukan kong pagtahin kahit kunti lang para sa inyong dalawa ng honey mo. Di ba CJ? Yes. Saka mabigat, ang bigat nito eh. Bantot pa. Bantot? Bantot na. All the man I am, you are the reason for me. You help me understand. I'll be your shelter from the rain that never ends. Girl, you've always got a plan. Kami. Diba? Yeah. All the love we had, I should have known our love was older than the past. Throwing my life away on songs that never heard, just to speak in a special word. I made you die inside, 'cause you love. Yan lang. Oh. You wanna say happy anniversary to Tete? Say. Say bye. Say thank you. Ayan Tete, at saka sa iyong honey, happy anniversary sa inyong dalawa ulit ha. Maraming salamat.